School. The best days of our lives. Or are they? For the 20% who have disabilities and learning difficulties, school can be a daily struggle. Parents and families of children with difficulties ranging from hearing to organisational problems also struggle to cope with these challenges. And over 50% of working-age unemployed or economically inactive people are disabled. The loss of potential talent and income leaves a gaping hole in the economy, and millions of lives are irreparably damaged. But there is a solution. Every research study shows that early identification and timely intervention are vital and can transform children's lives. We already have the technology to help a child to communicate their ideas and tools that can help develop independent reading, writing, and more. Also, a disability such as dyslexia gives people better visualization and lateral thinking skills. By thinking differently about what we label as disabilities, parents and educators can discover and play to the strengths of these children. We can have a huge positive impact on schools, the economy, and individual people. We have the tools to do it. Let's make school the best days of all our children's lives.